Garlic harvest 2023. Not the best. I don't know what went wrong. It did suffer with that real cold weather back in the winter, and it didn't look very good after that, to be honest, but I thought I'd just let it go and give it a chance. It's keeling over, it's got a bit of rust. It's been keeling over for a couple of weeks, and it's all split. Every single one is split out. So I'm going to harvest them all out, and I'll take them inside and I'll process them. I usually clean them off, put them in the food processor, add a bit of olive oil, bit of sea salt, blast them, put them into ice cube trays, and then when they're frozen, pop them into a bag. And then when you're cooking, all you got to do is take one out and pop it in whatever you're cooking. Nice and easy, ain't got to worry about drying them out. Just darn sight easier. And I think I've got about a dozen left from last year, so this has come at just the right time. So let's pull a few more out and show you what I mean. Let's go for this one. As you can see, they've all separated out. There's no bulbs, it's just individual cloves now, but they will actually process really nice. Just need a bit of a clean up, and in they go. You can actually see it better now with this. You can see what's happened. It's all split out and it's all fallen over. And even though I've been watering this raised bed, he is quite damp. And this is the only one that I didn't do the hugelkultur with. And I sort of think that's why it's not retaining moisture like the other ones do. But we're not even anywhere near finished. But it's going to be a good haul. It'll be plenty enough to get us through till next year. So there you go, garlic harvest 2023. Keep on gardening.